iPanel, one auto MPV, auto mode with time base. Wiring. Open L clamp of iPanel from backside. Open front cover of auto MPV. Take all wires from black grommet holes. Connect AMPV power supply wire in MPV supplies red P and black N connectors. Raw water pump. Pump should be single phase and maximum up to 3 HP. Connect pump power supply wire in pump connections phase R and neutral N connectors. Connect mains power supply wires in mains supplies phase R and neutral N connectors. Use minimum 2.5 square mm wire for mains power supply. Connect flow sensor wire in black 3, red 4 and yellow or green in 5 number connector. Connect treated water flow T wire in blue 7 and black 6 connectors. Connect raw water flow T wire in black 6 and blue 8 connectors. Connect RS485 wires in AMPV's black B and red A connectors. Connect AMPV's RS485 connections wire in panels red A1 and black B2 connectors. Connect Bryan switch wire in AMPV's red 2 and black 7 connectors. Fix the L clamp at iPanel's backside. Fix the front cover of auto MPV. Start the power supply. Programming. Touch the mode and stop buttons simultaneously to change the mode. Select the option of auto mode. iPanel will restart. Touch the start and mode button simultaneously to enter the settings. Enter the edit setting and enter the password 84. Set MPV number as 1. Select sand filter as MPV name. Select time base as sensor type. Set desired time in service time. Select pump feedback for relay output type. Select exit on completing password 84. Touch the start and mode buttons simultaneously to enter the settings again. Enter the edit setting and enter the password 64. Set the desired overload current. Set the desired dry run current. Set the desired phase unbalance current. Set the desired boost volts. Select single phase pump in pump select. Select exit on completing password 64. Touch the start and mode buttons simultaneously to enter the settings again. Enter the edit setting and enter the password 24. Set the desired flow factor. Select exit on completing password 24. Auto MPV settings. Press mode button twice and enter the set mode. Enter the password 19. Set 1 in MPV address. Press mode button twice and enter the set mode. Enter the password 84. You can go further with the help of mode button if no setting is required. Select Brian option in auxiliary input 1. Brian switch wire should be connected in AMPV's auxiliary 1 inputs red 2 and black 7 connectors. Set check Brian as twice. Set off in auxiliary 2 input. Set off in auxiliary 3 input. Set no in pressure switch input. Now press exit and quit. Press mode button twice and enter the set mode. Enter the password 64. Enter in set timers. Set regeneration time in minutes. Set slow rinse time in minutes. Set rinse time in minutes. Set motor on delay time in seconds. Minimum 35 seconds recommended. Set no in reset cycle count. Now press exit and quit. Plant operation. Raw water tank empty. Pump started when raw water tank gets full. Pump stopped when treated water tank gets full. Pump starts again when treated water tank level goes down. After completion of service time, for example 10 hours. After completion of service time, iPanel will stop the pump and AMPV will start for regeneration position. After AMPV reaching to regeneration position, iPanel will start the pump. After completion of regeneration time, iPanel will stop the pump and AMPV will change position to rinse. After AMPV reaching to rinse position, iPanel will start the pump. After completion of rinse time, iPanel will stop the pump and AMPV will change position to service. After AMPV reaching to service position, iPanel will start the pump.